Penny Lane, there is a barber showing photographs of every head he's had the pleasure to know, and all the people that come and go stop and say hello. On the corner is a banker with a motor car. The little children have an end behind his back, and the banker never wears a Mac in the pouring rain. Very strange. Penny Lane is in my ears and in my eyes. There beneath the blue suburban skies I sit, and meanwhile in Penny Lane there is a fireman with an hourglass, and in his pocket is a portrait of the Queen. Likes to keep his fire engine clean. It's a clean machine. Penny Lane is in my ears and in my behind the shelter in the middle of the roundabout, a pretty nurse is selling poppies from a tray. Though she feels as if she's in a play, she is anyway. Penny Lane, the barber shaves another customer. We see the banker sitting waiting for a trim, and then the fireman rushes in from the pouring rain. Very strange. Penny Lane.